friends of mine. He's looking at a sawmill. This is more of a homemade job. It's still a bandsaw. The guy said if you like pretty, this isn't a pretty saw. It doesn't have the beauty with it that some of these newer saws have. But anyway, we're going to be heading over that way, and it's going to take us a little over an hour to get there, just below Hinton, West Virginia. So we'll go look at it, and this friend of mine will decide whether he wants it or not. Bought the sawmill, so had to go to West Virginia to look at it, but he ended up buying it, and now we're taking it down the country road we went down last week on the video. So anyway, he's going to set it up over here at his house, and he's got some logs to mill. I've got some logs I need to have milled, so I'll bring them over to him on my equipment trailer. So we're going to go up here to his house. And let's go back it in here. Let's see how this will work. He can at least get it in there. He's got a large area to, or a long area to back it into. So. Yeah, so now we just lower the jack stands and let her down. Like I said, he bought the thing, and turned out it was in better shape than we thought. But at least I'll be able to take some logs and get them sawed locally here for little or nothing. I'll pay him for the use of the bandsaw, but anyway, it'll be a lot cheaper, and it'll be my own logs. But appreciate you watching. You know, look up over my shoulder here, there'll be another video you can look at, or down below just hit the subscribe button. But appreciate all the subscribers, and thank you for watching. And if you would, enjoy the day, enjoy the sunshine. Sunshine life makes life a lot happier.